Howdy howdy YouTube. Haven't seen anything real hardcore on the Pile Blue Wave 1000 watt dual voice coil. So I'm going to kind of give an idea of the excursion, and for the cheap price that you pay, not a bad speaker. Now this is the 10-inch Blue Wave series, 1000 watt. Dropped the two 4 ohm voice coils down to 2 ohm. So let's get something playing and give you an idea of what we got. Quick second to fire it up. There we go. Now mind you, this is on an 800 watt Wolfenhog German 5-element. And there you have it. So hopefully it was a big help. Like I said, it's a 10-inch dual voice coil, 4 ohm. Obviously I dropped it down to 2 ohm because my 5-element Wolfenhog 800 watt amp was 2 ohm stable. But yeah, for like 30 bucks, not bad. Hope you enjoyed. Peace.